Hi everyone, I'm Maya, and welcome back to BTC Vision. Have you ever wondered why you keep buying things you don't need, while the savings you leave in your bank account lose value every single day? The truth is, your worst financial enemy isn't just inflation, it's your own mind. Today, we are breaking down cognitive biases, impulsive shopping, and the critical mistake of leaving your money sitting in the bank to deteriorate. Clinical psychology defines compulsive shopping as an attempt to fill an emotional void. When we are stressed, bored, or unfulfilled, our brain seeks an immediate hit of dopamine through a purchase. But that feeling lasts only a moment, leaving us with buyer's remorse right after. On top of that, we face cognitive biases. Present bias forces us to prefer a tiny pleasure today over long-term financial stability tomorrow. Then there's the Diderot Effect, which drives us to continuously buy new items just to match the ones we just bought. True personal growth begins when you recognize these harmful patterns and decide to stop being a slave to consumerism. Let's move into our financial education section. Many people think that the safest move is to hoard cash in a traditional bank account. This is a massive mistake. Leaving your capital idle condemns it to deteriorate because of inflation, losing purchasing power year after year. How do we break this destructive cycle? By replacing your old habits. Apply the 48-hour rule before making any non-essential purchase to let the emotional impulse fade away. Next, automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer on payday directly into your investments before you even get the chance to spend that money. In today's economic climate, general investing is no longer optional. It is a matter of financial survival. It means making your money work for you through diversified tools aligned with your risk profile, such as global stock markets or yield-bearing assets. Within this solid framework, a very small percentage can be allocated to emerging assets like Bitcoin, leveraging its mathematical scarcity as an advanced diversifier. But your absolute priority remains the same. Move your capital out of the bank account and put it to work building real value for your future. Taking back control of your mind and putting your savings to work is your very first step toward true freedom. If you want to continue this journey of personal evolution and finance with me, subscribe to BTC Vision and hit the notification bell. Now, let me know in the comments, what is the one impulsive purchase you regretted the most this month? I'll see you down there. That's all from Maya. Trust the math, stay sharp, stay smart. See you in the next video.